Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our daily English podcast.
Hi, guys. Today's topic is at school.
School is a big part of our childhood.
Yes, we wake up early, study, play, and make friends.
And today, you will learn many easy English sentences about school.
So, listen carefully, follow slowly, and repeat after us. Let's begin.
Paul, what time did you wake up for school?
I woke up at 6 a.m. every day. I was always sleepy.
I woke up at 5:30 a.m. I needed time to prepare and eat breakfast.
What did you eat in the morning?
Usually bread and milk. Sometimes rice.
Nice. I only drank water and ran to school.
Classic student life.
Did your school have a uniform?
Yes, white shirt, blue skirt, and black shoes.
Mine was white shirt, black pants, and a tie.
A tie? That sounds formal.
Yes, and we needed to tuck in our shirts every day.
Our teachers checked uniforms every morning.
Same here. Clean uniform equals good student.
What was your favorite subject, Paul?
English. My English teacher was kind and patient.
That's nice. What about you?
I liked math. I enjoy solving problems.
Did you get good grades?
Yes, but sometimes I got confused with long formulas.
Same here. Which subject did you not enjoy?
History. Too many names and dates.
I agree. Remembering dates is difficult.
But history is important. It teaches us about the past.
Yes, but still, too many dates.
Yes. What was your first class every day?
Usually math or science.
Did you feel sleepy?
Always. Morning class is hard. My first class was language class. It helped me wake up slowly.
Lucky. Did you have many friends?
Not many. I had 3 close friends.
That's good. Quality friends are better than many friends.
We studied together, talked together, and shared snacks.
I had one best friend. We sat together for 3 years.
That's nice. What did you carry in your school bag?
Books, notebooks, pencils, and a water bottle.
I also carried snacks, a small towel, and sometimes a small mirror
A mirror. Why?
to check my hair.
Cute. What did you usually eat during break?
Fried noodles or bread with butter.
Nice. I ate cookies and drank milk.
Did your school have a canteen?
Yes, but it was always crowded.
Same. We had to stand in long lines.
How were your teachers?
Most of them were kind. Some were strict.
Strict teachers help us stay disciplined.
Yes, but sometimes too strict.
True, but they want us to do well.
I agree.
Did you get a lot of homework?
Yes, almost every day.
How long did it take to finish?
Around 1 hour.
I took 2 hours. I was slow at writing.
Homework is this good practice.
Yes, but too much homework is stressful.
Did you join any school clubs?
Yes, I was in the football club,
Nice. What club did you join?
dance club, and sometimes art club.
Wow, talented.
Thank you. Did you go to the library often?
Yes, I loved reading storybooks.
I like comic books.
Library time is quiet and relaxing.
Yes, no noise, no stress. Just reading.
How big was your class?
Around 45 students.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, very noisy sometimes.
My class had around 30 students.
Easier for teachers.
Were you nervous during exams?
Very nervous. My hands were cold.
Same. I always shaped questions many times.
Did you study early?
Sometimes not.
Typical student.
What did you eat for lunch at school?
Rice and chicken. Simple, but tasty.
I ate noodles or rice with vegetables.
Did you buy or bring food?
I bought food from school.
Same here.
What is your best school memory?
Winning a dance competition.
Wow. What about you?
Playing football. And winning a small tournament.
That sounds fun. Were you ever a class leader?
No. You?
Yes, 1 year.
Was it hard?
A little. I had to help teachers and classmates.
You're a responsible student.
Thank you. Did you get punished at school?
Yes, for being late.
I got punished for talking too much.
I can imagine. Yes.
Did your school organize trips?
Yes, we visited the zoo once.
Nice. What about you?
We went to a museum and a water park.
A water park. That's amazing. What did you do after school?
I went home, did homework, and watched TV.
I played football with friends after school.
Fun and healthy.
Yes. Did you study at night?
Only before exams.
Oh, what about you?
I studied a little every night.
That's why your grades were good.
What was your dream job when you were young?
I wanted to be a teacher.
I wanted to be a doctor.
Big dream.
Yes, but I changed my mind later.
Did you play games at school?
Yes, football and running.
I played jump rope and tagged with friends.
Jump rope is good exercise.
What events did your school have?
We had a big New Year celebration.
We had sports day, music day, and art exhibitions.
That sounds fun.
Yes, everyone was excited. Did you like group projects?
Yes, working together was fun.
Sometimes teamwork is difficult, but we learn a lot. Communication is important.
Did your school have many rules?
Yes, wear uniform, keep nails short, no phones.
My school also had a rule. No running in hallways.
Safety first. Did you take the school bus?
Yes, every morning and afternoon.
Was it fun?
Sometimes, but sometimes noisy.
I walked to school.
Good exercise.
How did school help you in life?
It taught me confidence and communication skills.
School taught me discipline and teamwork.
School gives us life lessons.
Yes, not only education.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed a long conversation about school.
Remember to repeat the sentences and practice speaking.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.